Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to Insurance Hacks America, the channel where we break down confusing financial stuff into simple, real-life hacks. Today we're talking about something every responsible adult should think about: life insurance. But not just any coverage. We're breaking down the top 5 best life insurance plans for beginners in the US for 2026. And trust me, this guide is packed with info that could literally protect your family's future without draining your bank account. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's get into it. Before we dive into the list, here's the real talk. Most people in America either don't have life insurance at all, or they're paying way more than they should because they picked a policy without understanding how it works. A lot of beginners get overwhelmed by terms like premiums, riders, cash value, and term length. So they either avoid buying insurance or make the wrong choice. This video is designed to give you beginner-friendly guidance, real examples, and specific tips, and educate so you don't get scammed or overpay. Now let's jump into the top picks. Term life insurance, best for budget-friendly coverage. If you're someone who wants maximum coverage without paying crazy premiums every month, term life insurance is hands down the best starting point. This plan covers you for a set number of years, usually 10, 20, or 30 years. Think of it like renting insurance instead of owning it. You get no cash value, but you do get affordable protection. For example, a healthy 28-year-old male could get a $500,000 policy for around $25 per month, which is basically cheaper than Netflix and DoorDash combined. This is perfect for young parents, new homeowners, or anyone working on building savings. The downside? If you outlive the policy term, the coverage ends. But many companies let you renew or convert to permanent coverage without a medical exam. Whole life insurance, best for long-term wealth building. If you're someone who wants predictable payments and long-term peace of mind, whole life insurance might be your move. This plan lasts your entire life and builds cash value, which is basically a savings bucket that grows over time. You can pull money out later to cover expenses like college tuition or emergency bills. Just know that loans reduce the death benefit if not paid back. A lot of people like whole life because it's stable and guaranteed, but it costs more. That same $500,000 policy that costs $20 with term might cost $200+ with whole life. Whole life is great if you're thinking long-term legacy or you want forced savings, but beginners should make sure they aren't signing up for more than they can afford. Simplified issue: no medical exam life insurance, best for approval fast. This one is perfect if you're a beginner and don't want to deal with doctor visits, blood tests, or long questionnaires. With simplified issue insurance, approval is quick, sometimes within minutes, and it's ideal for people with health concerns or tight time frames, divorce settlements, custody agreements, college loan co-signers, etc. The downside is pricing. Since the company takes more risk by not checking your full medical history, the premiums are higher and coverage amounts are smaller, usually between $25,000 to $300,000. Think of this as convenience over cost. It's not the cheapest option long term, but it's a solid entry point when you need coverage right now. Group life insurance through your employer, best free or low-cost add-on. A lot of companies in the US offer free or low-cost life insurance as part of employee benefits. Sometimes this is automatic, sometimes you need to opt in. The best part: many employers cover 1 to 2x your annual salary at no cost, and you can pay extra to expand coverage. But here's the part most beginners miss. If you leave your job, the policy doesn't follow you. So while group coverage is great as a starter or bonus layer, you don't want to rely on it as your main plan, especially if you're changing jobs or working gig economy roles like Uber, DoorDash, construction, or contract work. Use group insurance as backup, not your only plan. Return of premium, ROP. Term insurance, best for people who hate losing money. A lot of people avoid term life because they feel like they're repaying into something they may never use. Return of premium solves that issue. If you outlive your term, the company gives back all the money you paid in premiums, kind of like a refund. This is great for beginners who want protection, but also want their money back. For example, if you have a 20-year policy and you paid $10,000 over that period, you get that money back. The catch? It costs more than regular term, but many people love it because there's no wasted spending. Which plan should you choose? Beginner breakdown. To make this easier, here's who each plan fits. Low income but high responsibility, kids, mortgage. Term life, want lifelong coverage. Plus cash value, whole life. Bad health, fast approval needed, simplified issue. Just want basic coverage for now. Employer group plan, want money back if you outlive policy. ROP term. A smart beginner strategy is to stack policies. Start with term, add group coverage, and later convert to whole life as income increases. All right, fam, that wraps up our breakdown of the top 5 best life insurance plans for beginners, 2026 guide. Hopefully this gave you clarity and helped you feel more confident about protecting the people you love. Remember, life insurance isn't about death. It's about responsibility, love, and peace of mind. Your future family will thank you. If you found value today, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment saying, "I'm securing my future," and subscribe to Insurance Hacks America for more tips that save money and protect your legacy. Stay smart, stay protected, and I'll catch you in the next one.